Stop. Do not buy a new 911 until you watch this video, because the car you are looking at right now, it's lying to you. It looks like a 911. It sounds like a 911. But underneath that ice gray metallic skin, Porsche has done the unthinkable. They have put a hybrid engine in the Holy Grail, the 911 GTS. And here is the part that will make the purists scream. The manual transmission is gone, dead, deleted. So is the new 99 2.2 GTS a betrayal of everything we love? Or did Porsche just use Formula One technology to build the fastest, most responsive street car in history? Today, we aren't just reviewing a car, we are reviewing the end of an era and the start of a revolution. This is the 2026 Porsche 911 GTS T Hybrid, and it does 0 to 60 faster than a GT3. Welcome to New Car. Let's dissect the monster. Let's pop the rear deck lid, even though you can't see much anymore. The old 3.0-liter twin-turbo is gone. In its place is a brand new, single-turbo, 3.6-liter flat-six. That's right, they increased the displacement. But the magic isn't in the pistons, it's in the turbo. This is an e-turbo. There is a tiny electric motor sitting between the turbine and compressor wheels. What does that mean? It means turbo lag is physically impossible. Before your foot even hits the floor, that electric motor spins the turbo to 120,000 RPM instantly. You get the throttle response of a naturally aspirated engine with the torque of a freight train. And then there's the second motor, integrated directly into the 8-speed PDK transmission. It fills in the torque gaps while shifting. The result? 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. But numbers are boring. Here is the reality. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. That is hypercar territory in a car you can drive to the grocery store. Now I can hear the comments already. It's too heavy. Hybrids are for saving gas. Wrong. This is a T hybrid. T stands for turbo, or maybe terror. It's a 400-volt system with a tiny 1.9 kilowatt-hour battery. You cannot plug it in. You cannot drive in EV mode. This system exists for one reason only: speed. The battery is so small it fits under the front hood where the 12-volt battery used to be. The entire hybrid system adds only about 110 pounds, 50 kilograms over the old model. And because the new engine is so compact, thanks to deleting the belt drive for the AC and water pump, those are electric now too. The center of gravity is actually lower than before. Porsche didn't build a Prius, they built a street-legal Le Mans car. Look at the front. Those active air flaps, they are massive. They open when the car needs cooling and snap shut for aerodynamics. And the headlights, the Matrix LED eyes, now house all the lighting functions, which means the bumper lights are gone, giving it these huge aggressive intakes. It looks like a shark that smells blood. Inside, the betrayal continues for some of you. The analog tachometer, the last bastion of the mechanical age, is gone. It's a fully digital curved display now. Is it sharp? Yes. Is it customizable? Yes, but does it have the soul of a needle bouncing off the red line? You tell me. And yes, as I mentioned, there is no stick shift. The T hybrid system requires the PDK to work. If you want a manual, you have to buy the base Carrera T or wait for the GT3. The 2026 911 GTS is a weapon. It's faster, sharper, and more advanced than anything in its class. It makes the old GTS feel slow, but it asks a heavy price. It trades mechanical connection for digital perfection. So, here's the question. Would you pay $165,000 for a 911 with no manual and a digital heart, just because it destroys everything at a stoplight? Or is the soul of the 911 officially dead? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you respect the engineering, and subscribe to New Car because next week we are testing the car that might actually beat this. I'll see you then.